Finally, Kotoko has decided to go the executive board chairmanship model. Nana Apinkra Kwesiewua to assume the chairmanship position and report directly to Menchia. A top sports presenter in a top radio and TV station in Kumasi Atedum is being considered for the PRO work. Tama, you see, finally, Kotoko has decided to go the executive board chairmanship model again. Nana Akwesi Apinkra is being considered as the chairman and report directly to Menchia. A top sports journalist in a top radio station in Kumasi Edum is being considered for the PR job.
Okay, great man. You say Kotoko is taking up a new structure from our source.
That's right.
Okay, and that Nana Apinkra is tipped to be the executive chairman.
Yes.
So the executive chairman for the Anna the bank role.
I have this.
Also be executive chairman. Onona a company sika baba whichever means said you.
Well, no dear. Mean can say on for what I know.
Maybe he could be a board chairman, be say, but if it's executive chairmanship there.
Because board no, this board will not be say a miniature 5.
What can board assembly now? About board so come.
And in terms of executive board, on say he
executive board says my confused executive board says it's a board of directors. But when you have an executive chairmanship,
the executive
now it's a management board, no.
So to say,
okay.
So to say, a management.
Name
still, the source will come from Menchia. In terms of because reported direct to Menchia, no. I think rather no, the right way near the Okende is a management board. I think probably that's how you find it. But obey in charge, and then there are 1 or 2 additions. Per my sources, not AFM.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
and also know him being the call UK no.
Why?
A Nana Apinkra.
On in the call UK. Some call way ni be.
And they will be uncle baby. They omokono.
Se be omoko represent the Koto.
For that discussion, sir.
O was any addition na ko.
Na se be nya kwesi dey bi okoso.
And am be na.
Anya Koto go
o any be arrange komo for amomo.
Oh, suppose no one buy na twist ade so woni mususu. Aso wa she na here the style ade so ni. Oh. Define you. But the 10 year. For what I'm told, now I then there's some bibia, but I'm being opportunity more. Okay, and I'm getting the information say Senyame Adom na open so returning. It be this announcement will be made.
Okay.
Yeah, it be a be structure ni ye kakra ni mu beda ho no mo. I mean,
Alima don't know how to do for. So your messy bed the board.
Oh, so we the entertainer yes we can be. But what it I mean can say AFM any other no I'm getting
lawyer
I'm getting information. I even have the name but for now.
Who you danger about him?
Timer.
Name of wine.
Some mekan who asuma. The obey Ejuma as the communication no in charge of.
I'm going to get you for the same. On the cancer.
Hey, Tama. This time around, na say atena hanoma. I say. Si say ne say opobia man wakans Kotoko hu nsema na say. Wo bisa na Kotoko mu nsema wo bre. Tama mpacho meboa.
I know the nti ase opia na different by enko.
Nti
ni baba go busa na
say mo. Source so chairman say the PR might come from efficacy.
PR might come say on be na kasa.
From efficacy.
Say chemu government say. You are all kasa.
What's efficacy media house or Yeah, so me info chem say nipa no be free media house on am.
Na say those kind.
Say won nyina efficacy.
Okay, we are working in back ni yin say. We do better friend how much na. Better friend na.
Eti I don't know.
Wadam am say no interview.
Time idea. Eti enu maybe the new structure ABA.
Okay,
ebetimi.
We dey no ngo ni enko.
Yeah, tie ogun.
Lawyer Ben.
And Tama, the timing of the interview, spectacular, but it sounds so adebi.
Spectacular.
Aye.
Ma fo be kuni po lawyer. Me am man miracle to be. On the year west.
Tama winning
Spectacular timing.
Yeah, the timing no. Very almost no. Okay, mami chere wade. With all the signings and the aura around the signings. Now, who we are coach akasa in some way. Wakachire we ase nyina say players na ofa omo no ono nya botre hwe omo yie pa. And that omo sanso ba training grounds no omo no omo ye no. Ebe chemu kina say na ohu omo no. Saa na omo ye de ama no. Tama, ti say the obed kan no. Makwesi adamra na kotoko enko takwa. Na omo fa nkunimdie enfiri takwamra ma yemfi season na se na kotoko
takwa be takwa ni
media ma tiene se no se kotoko na ko bia no
Sunday, okay. Na Sunday a friendly man mon fanka
Tama ya de be ka
coach no refer to Karela o anka tiene
to bo make the entire
make the coach ni kasa na o use so
I mean him
ono ka Karela
me dey kan asem say we na dey build up to Karela
na dey do abroche dey amote pre-season me fanka ho na dey do amode be ka ho match o mbo abroche kan nya che o yonko trainer o bai o say
democracy cup na e dey
asa na ekotoko
na eniji de ba krom ha no
ekotoko ni has
na o mato aso no makwhye media ma e de eniji ne be ye mo
ndo ma anche media ma so
se no so no ho asem ho no ma no so du ho so ba me hwe coach ni sem wa kan say wa kire say sisi no wono anya players a aduma na opese obeye no and me gidi say we raise the hopes of Kotoko support obi ewo ene modicum of skepticism kra no a say nipa kra no
lawyer ye brewa
say we dey to ba bi kakra
modicum of skepticism
so say we dey to ba bi kakra na onya gidie wo team ni so onya gidie wo team ni mu say coach ogun wato ni players wato players a wa hwe o matcha woni mu omo a odom ba be adwuma officer opese obeye no
all right
I think me feel say you good in terms say the time of the interview is very spectacular because I want to have
the big interview with the boss
yes so it's big that's a say no a jai anyway first match of Abaya radio I just say lawyer mo ko pe kan ba fa so am ba gi scan
all right Zach
so I think obia won